what is up everybody, this is Abhijit here. Welcome back to IT Solution channel guys. So today guys, I'll be talking to you about how you can connect your DSLR or any digital camera to your laptop or computer. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So first of all guys, we have to download and install a software called Digicam Control, and I will give the link in the description so that you can easily download it and install it. I will show you the procedure. So let's go. So then guys, we will connect our computer to the DSLR using a type B or type C cable. It totally depends upon your camera, which camera do you use or which type of port does it support. I have type B cable and my camera supports also type B cable. Most of the cameras supports type B cable, but a few of them supports type C cable. So let's get into our computer screen so that I will show you how it works.
So now guys, after the completion of connecting the DSLR to the computer, we will open our Digicam software so that we can operate our camera through the computer. Let's open. Now guys, you can see that here my camera settings are visible to me, and I can also change my ISO, shutter speed, aperture, white balance. I can take control over my camera fully, and also I can check my battery life. I can also shoot live view and shoot videos. Let's see this feature. Yeah, here you can see that this is my headphone and I can't focus it. Let's check our controls. Here the focus mode is manual, so I will get into autofocus. After that, here you can see my headphone is on focus. We can capture pictures and also we can record videos and stop videos, and also we can change our ISO, aperture, white balance and exposure settings. We also can shoot time lapse. Here the option comes here. Yeah, we can you can give the start schedule, time lapse settings, stop schedule and start time lapse. So guys, this software is very helpful to those photographers who shoot less shutter speed pictures, because with handheld they can't shoot the image. The image could be blurry, but in case of this software we can autofocus it and capture the view.
So that's it for today guys. If you like this video, then like it. If you think this video is helpful for you, then share it with your friends. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it, and if any doubts on tech related, then comment down below. I will surely reply. So I will see you in the next video. For that said, goodbye.